One of the many packaging challenges we have when turning old Land Rovers electric is fitting in the charging port. And this is how we've used 3D printing to kind of solve that. So they always had this metal surround that was galvanized, and that works fine. We can reuse the old part if we're just doing AC charging. So that's kind of your home charging. But we of course want to add DC fast charging. So to do that, we needed a bigger surround. And there's a few ways we could do that. We could cut and weld and insert new pieces into the original. We looked at maybe pressing, making a sort of a tool and pressing a new part in the same process that they would have used once upon a time. But nowadays we can do something crazy, which really does seem crazy, and that is 3D print in stainless steel. And the reason I have this instead of my usual finger is so you can hear, because I can't show you what it feels like, but this is a solid hunk of metal printed exactly as we designed it in CAD, and allows it to fit the DC charging just like every other EV on the market in Australia. I'll show you what this looks like in its finished galvanized form, just over here. Here it is. So the same sort of 3D printed stainless steel, now gone through the zinc and been galvanized. And you can see it matches some of the other new parts that we've created. These aren't final fasteners. These will actually be solid rivets like the rest of the build here in this patina. These also too are just temporary. We'll do some better capping that sort of aesthetically fits. But you can see it could have come from factory like this. It's really still astounding to me. And one of the things around the work that we do is that it's only really now that we can, at this point in manufacturing time with these advanced techniques, that we can do what we do, because we can do 1, 2, 3, 5 of these parts without having to create expensive tooling. We can do individual high precision components in so many little areas with the tools that are available to us now that wouldn't have been possible 10 years ago.